Hey everyone, this is our pet sharing database project, and my name is Mehek.
My name is Igor.
I'm Cece.
And I'm John.
So, our inspiration for creating this project is that there's currently no way for pet owners to communicate with one another. So, we created a site for pet owners and pet enthusiasts both to interact with each other, and they'll be able to perform actions such as browsing pet events in the area, adding new pet events, and also adding friends. And pet borrowers will be able to input their pet preferences and borrow pets and also write reviews. So we hope that you use our app to connect with pets and pet owners.
As you can see on the top right of the screen, we have 10 routes in total for borrower routes. We have 6 routes for borrower preference that allows user to create and update their preferences based on pet species, type, and habits. We also have 4 routes for borrower review that allows users to create and delete reviews for certain pets.
So in the Appsmith, the first page is about creating pet preference. So firstly, we enter the number for species, type, and habit, and enter the borrower ID. Then click submit. Now we can get the pet preference for the borrower ID. Then on the second page, it is about updating pet preference. So we enter the species, the type, and the habit, and choose the borrower ID from the existing ID. Then the pet preference for the borrower ID has been changed. So this page is about creating the pet review. So firstly, we choose the borrower's pet ID, then enter the borrower ID, then enter the review. Then we can see our new review. The second page is about deleting the review. So firstly, we enter the pet ID, then choose the borrower ID. So now the previous review has been deleted.
Moving on to the owner routes, we have 8 routes in total for the owners. We have 4 routes for creating owners events that allow users to browse, add, update, and delete events. We also have 4 routes for pet owner search that allow users to search for desired pets and add them as friends.
So looking at the event page here, we can add new events by inputting all the stuff here. And then if we check first, we can see that for 61 doesn't exist. And then when we press submit, it will create it. Now we can check, and there's our event. So now let's say we want to update it. And then we can choose the state, choose a different, or change the same zip code. And we can now see that we check it here. It's updated. And then lastly, let's say we want to just get rid of this event. So we can delete it. And then if we check this again, it's now deleted from the database. And moving on to the last page, for this allows the user to find pets based on a certain type. So we can find other pet owners that have foxes with all different types of breeds. And so let's say we now want to make this user our friend. So we take user 21. We first check our friends for 4 and see that 21 is not there. And when we press the add button and check it again, you can see that it has been added. So we are now friends. And that's our 4 pages, and that's our project. So thank you.